Hey, this chair's really short. You wanted to do the intro, so deal with it. Fine. Welcome back, Daydreamer. Today's episode is brought to you by the letter O.
Building a kit while daydreaming about building another kit? That's how you get to WIP Wednesdays.
WIP Wednesday!
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
Okay. Stupid puppet. He's obsessed with the Muppets. He thinks he is one. This WIP Wednesday is brought to you by the kit, the O. And of course, all joking aside, it's also brought to you by NewTypeHQ, which is our channel sponsor. Go check them out for any of the kits that you need during this lockdown ending, quarantine check getting, whatever may be the case. If you're looking for new kits, tools, or supplies, go check out NewTypeHQ.com. And if you're new here, or you're just looking for a way to check out new kits, how they're built, what the process is like, maybe how to do a little something extra to a kit, then you're in the right place, because that's essentially what I do here on this channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so when you subscribe, you know when I drop more videos showing you new techniques or just new kits maybe you haven't built yet. All right, with no further ado, let's build the O. PMX-003, the O, was a mobile suit from Zeta Gundam. So if you're fond of that series, or if you've been looking for an excuse to check that series out, the Thiccc that I built last week, and then the O, which I'm building this week, is both from the same show. It's a pretty rad mobile suit because it was just a heavy, thick boy with 3 C's. And it's awesome because it has 4 arms. It has like under the skirt armor arms. It's really like a weird sexual General Grievous. No, it's not. It's not. The 2 extra manipulators that are underneath the front skirt is a really cool additional feature to this big, bulky boy with all this armor and essentially just a powerful rifle. The reason why is because it can actually handle all 4 of the beam sabers at the same time. So close quarters combat, no big deal for this thick boy. With this kit, I eventually plan to really heavily customize it. So I want to do a little bit with scribing, claw plate, things like that. But what I want to do is give them some big Akuma style beads, like Street Fighter Akuma, style beads around the neck. And I'm even kind of playing with the idea of doing some Yakuza kind of tattoo work and stuff on the paint job. So more to come with that. I don't know if my skill level is up for it or not, but you guys tell me in the comments below what you think and what kind of crazy thing I could do with this guy to make him really, really unique.